We are glad to have you join us on our grassroots governance program, Ibile Update, here on Lagos Television. I am Alimat at DME on Ibile Update today. Our first report on the program today is from Agboyi-Ketu Local Council Development Area, where the council authority trained residents in different vocations. At the graduation ceremony, the chairman advised that the beneficiaries justify the investment of the council by creating job opportunities for others. We have details in Solomon Badibos reports.
It was an atmosphere of celebration as 53 residents graduated under the We Lift Empowerment Training organized by Agboyi-Ketu Local Council Development Area under the coordination of the wife of the chairman, Mrs. Tawakalitu Oshinowo.
So we've said already that Agboyi-Ketu is not just about development, not just about building roads, it's also about empowering people. So we realized that we need to do more for the citizens of Agboyi-Ketu, and this time around we thought that the best thing to do is to empower people so at least they can live, at least leave them above the poverty line, move away from the poverty line, and that was one of the reasons for this event today.
The initiative, which is targeted at youth and women at graduates from various skills nearby, expanding the employment capacity of each graduate. Aside from being trained, equipment were distributed to all the graduating students, nearby easing their financial burden.
All the graduates of today, I've advised them that they should use whatever the machine given to them to the best of their advantage, and ensure that it's being used by them, not that they will not sell it out or dispose it to anybody in any manner.
This is the first time I'm seeing the wife of a chairman coordinating a program like this, and the woman is eloquent, fantastic woman, and the program is very good. You can see the equipment that are being given to the graduates, expensive ones, not just ordinary equipment. Go and look at it, very expensive equipment. The tailoring, fashion designer they call them now, the catering, very expensive. The one that is doing eyelashes or whatever, what do you call them? The makeup, very expensive makeup.
I'm so happy because when we are doing the training, it takes us like 6 months. And many people are saying that they are just lying. They will not give us anything after the training, that they will not do anything for us. But they let us do it. Let's see what will happen. But I'm not disappointed because at the end of the day, they gave us what we use to face our future. So I'm really happy.
We Lift is the platform set by the leadership of Agboyi-Ketu Local Council Development Area to enhance residents in various capacities.
Moving on, the council chairman of Ifelodun Local Council Development Area, Olufemi Okeowo, organized a welfare program where residents received palliatives and free Ilera health insurance to improve the quality of their lives. Details in this report.
Health, they say, is wealth, yet many Nigerians do not have access to affordable healthcare services and facilities. It is in face of this reality that the council chairman of Ifelodun Local Council Development Area, Olufemi Okeowo, enrolled 1,200 residents into the Ilera health insurance scheme. to provide quality healthcare services to residents, regardless of their socio-economic status.
In our 12-point plus agenda, we have health, we have education, we have infrastructure, social security, everything you can think of, they are there in our 12-point plus agenda. If you check it out today, our 3.5 years in office, we have actually covered all the promises that we made to our people. We are still working on. We are not tired. We are still going to go ahead.
This will ensure that these people, having been on the National Health Insurance Scheme, will have the opportunity to visit any healthcare center or any hospital that they choose, because they are at liberty to choose any hospital of their choice in Ifelodun LCDA or Ifelodun LGA community. So when they visit these hospitals, they can access free healthcare all year round.
In addition to the health insurance scheme, residents also benefited from the palliatives distributed by the council authority. This gesture is aimed at cushioning the effects of the economic hardship and promoting the well-being of the community.
Since Honorable Femi Okewo has home office as the council chairman of Ifelodun LCDA, he has been doing wonderfully well in terms of infrastructure, in terms of road construction, in terms of healthcare delivery, in terms of empowerment, and you can as well witness it today.
The message for the community is to continue to support our government at all levels, both at the local, state and federal level, and ensure that they also do their own obligations as citizens by paying their taxes.
The beneficiaries expressed their gratitude to the council for its timely intervention, which provided much-needed relief during this difficult period.
As the chairman of Ifelodun LCDA, he has done a lot: palliative, solar, water, interlocks, a lot of things, and our streets, our area in Ifelodun has turned to small London, because the way it looked like before, it has taken another shape. It's a new face entirely, and all the people, the security, everything is very, very nice. There is no fear in the Ifelodun LCDA.
I'm very appreciative for the health insurance that I came here today and collected. As from February 16 this year till December this year, I'm going to hospital free.
By providing access to quality healthcare and supporting vulnerable members of the community, the council is creating a better society for the people of Ifelodun Local Council Development Area to flourish and live a good life.
Residents of Lagos Island East Local Council Development Area have once again benefited from the community market of the council, where food items are sold at subsidized prices. Gladys Ogiliza was there for Ibile updates, and a report is presented from our studio.
To ease the burden on vulnerable residents, the Executive Chairman of Lagos Island East LCDA, Muyibi Folawiyo, organized the 21st edition of the Subsidy Removal Palliative Community Food Market Initiative. The program is designed to provide essential food items at significantly reduced prices, offering residents relief from the challenges of rising living costs. The council boss emphasized that satisfying the needs of the people remains the driving force behind this initiative.
I thank the entire management team. I thank the legislative arm, the executive, my great partner, the vice chairman and the secretary to local government for cooperating with me. Because without them, this program will not be easy. So that we sometimes we make sure we do it, and we staff ourselves to satisfy the people of Lagos Island. But why we are passionate and we are happy doing it is because the people of Lagos Island appreciate it.
The council boss also expressed gratitude to his team for their dedication and efforts in making the program a continuous success.
Our developmental stride will continue. We will not relent until the last day of our speech that we promise them. And more innovation, more programs, more road construction, more empowerment, and the community market will stay to the end of the administration. We continue to do it every month as we promise them. There is more. We will not relent. The free school bus will continue. The free school bus will continue. My Kids and I, and all programs that we are embarking on, we are going to improve on it.
Residents who benefited from the initiative shared their joy and praised the council chairman for his impactful leadership and commitment to improving their well-being.
The price of Indomie now, they say this one now is 19,500. Now we are buying it here for 2,000. Can you imagine? It's not easy for people to come here. Everything they are buying for 20, 15,000, they are buying it 2,000, 1,500, 2,000, 1,500. It's not easy for people to eat. Look at how people are many here.
He organizes very well and he appreciates what we do for him, that we vote for him, and we do not regret that we vote for him. This is the yam, and the yam is 1,000 naira. I can remember last week on Saturday, my own family, we used to cook yam like Sunday, to cook yam in the morning. I bought this yam from Malam. Let's call it 10,000 naira last. So I appreciate.
The program is a vital support system for many families within the Lagos Island East LCDA, as its impact cannot be underrated in putting food on many tables.
We have come to the end of today's package. If you would like to share any information with us, please send us an SMS or a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen. Join us Mondays to Fridays at 8:20 a.m., 12:15, and a repeat broadcast at 11 p.m. I am Alimat Adeyemi. Thank you for watching.
Oya